10 lines on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on every 5th October every year. It is a special day for the appreciation of teachers. It reminds us about the significant impact teachers have in our lives. This day provides an opportunity to us to thank our teachers. Teachers are the architects of our future. Teachers' Day enables us to show respect for teachers. Their influence is immeasurable and their dedication is unwavering. Teachers' Day is known as significant event. This day honors teachers' dedication to imparting knowledge and values and molding future generation. We should celebrate the Teachers' Day.